Here we are. We're going on a short evening ride. And we've got the Bronco with Casey and Allison and Addie in front of us. And then Rick's Jeep, the Shenanigans #1, with Rick and Dorothy in front of them. And we're hitting that witching hour when it blinds you when you go
Oh my
west.
God, it is. Oh God.
So perhaps we'll go east.
Yeah, maybe
And
we
get
might
out,
want to do that.
come out on Moonridge. Well, and then that's closer to the pizza place too, because I'm still waiting for dinner.
Yeah.
All right, we're putting it in 4-wheel drive, I think.
Yeah, he doesn't have to stop to put it in 4-wheel drive. Casey doesn't.
Oh no, but if you put it in 4-wheel low on the Bronco, you have to put it neutral.
Right.
It's probably better to stop anyway, though. Okay, here we go up Knickerbocker, which I'm sure has a name.
That's Knickerbocker.
I know, but there it is, right there. 2N 2N08. Huh. Now we know. It's funny because we call most of the roads by their numbers, and this one we always called by the name.
Yeah, it's back behind the house.
Yeah. Because you go up Knickerbocker to get to it. Okay. Oh, somebody jogging down the trail. Manzanita bush had berries or something in it.
Now he rolls his windows up.
Yeah. I wonder if animals eat those. They're edible.
Casey, are you in 4-wheel drive?
Yeah, I just went to 4 high.
No, that's fine. Up here, when we make the right turn, try your locking up the wheel to make the turn.
Yeah, I'll have to give that a shot.
Oh,
Come to a complete stop, turn your wheel all the way. You go past a little bit where you might start turning, because it's going to, pivot on that wheel. And then turn it all the way to the right, and then a little extra gas.
I think last time I didn't give it enough gas.
All right. We'll be the judge of that from behind.
yeah, give Rick some room. He don't say that. Okay, we're gonna see if he does.
Look for a spot with the least amount of rocks. This is the spot right here. It locked a little bit. Faster. It locked a little.
I can hear it doing something.
Yeah, you have to give it a little bit more oomph than that.
I'll give it more gas, but I can hear it. It sounds weird in here.
Well, you can see the wheel locked a little bit, but it didn't full lock. Hey Rick, this is way too much sun in our eyes. When we get to the top, maybe we want to go towards Moonridge. Okay.
Let's see if
Pick
they
the hardest one,
fix
Casey.
this spot.
See if you can just milk through there. Pick the hardest looking line.
They have not fixed it. It still has all the dips and.
Like it went over it okay?
Looks like it went right over it.
Yeah, no problem at all.
Good. You were just cruising.
Yeah, and Rick slid all over the place. And you put it in 4 low to go through here,
I
right?
did, yeah.
Because you know.
I cheated. I put it in 4-wheel low.
Okay, we're still on the same road. Got somebody else on our channel.
It's a different look when there's multiple Jeeps or vehicles in front of you.
Yeah, it does. Oh, yeah. Well, here we go. This is Coyote. You know what? The numbers are all off of here. This is the way to Moonridge, though.
Yeah, we don't have the lights, sun in our eyes.
Did you see that? It had a black diamond thing for something.
Did it?
Yeah. It says up ahead. There's another one. 251Y is the road we're on.
I don't know.
We've been on this road before, though. It
A
wasn't-
million times.
Yeah. So I don't know where the black diamond thing is.
I don't know.
I never noticed that before.
No, this is an easy road. This is where the joggers were running before. And the bicycles. And
Oh yeah, we've run across lots of people over here. And there's a behind the ski lift. And
yeah.
maybe it's fake so you don't go down this road behind the ski lift.
I don't know.
It's a little bit of a hairy road right through there.
The offshoot. There is it right there.
Yeah. Okay. Might as well go up there. Never been up there before. Rick actually gets braver too when there's more people.
Yeah. Big rock right there.
There's a big rock over here. Oh, there are people camping up here, look. Oh, there's a road.
Sorry, we didn't mean to intrude. We're just looking and didn't know anyone was up here. I'm sorry, sir?
My two-wheel drive went through there.
There you go. Most of this around here, you don't need 4-wheel
I
drive.
didn't know you'd come up the other side, but
Well, you know, there's a couple places that farther down that my brother was in 2-wheel and he was slipping, but still makes it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Are there a bunch of camp spots that way along the road or no?
They're all over.
All over.
You're in a good spot, though.
That's it.
It's a real nice sunset from here.
Yeah. Cool, you got going.
Yeah, you too.
And there he goes. Wait for Casey.
Where is he?
He's coming. He didn't make the turn, he had to back up.
Oh. That's the advantage to Rick's little short boat. Short wheel.
Yes, there's advantages to both. We've seen where the short wheelbase has rolled over
Yeah.
because it's too short. Mostly on videos though.
Right.
And then we've seen where the short wheelbase can make these little tight turns that we can't do. So. Okay, we're still on
Casey,
the road.
your Bronco is 3 inches wider than the Jeep.
3 inches wider?
Yes, 3 inches.
And the Raptor's 10
We need
inches.
that chainsaw with trees tomorrow.
Not where we're going. We're not going to do that.
Yeah, we have some loppers though.